And here we have the finished window. As you can see, it's freshly painted, nicely sealed. It's airtight, watertight. Should improve the efficiency of the home. I mean, the benefits far outweigh any reason you can give to not do it yourself. Just follow the instructions, watch as many tutorials as you can. It's not that hard at all. And you get the satisfaction of knowing you did it the proper way. And you know how it was done. And you know, you have the experience and knowledge. If anything happens in the future, you'd be able to make a quick assessment and maybe make a repair if needed. But as you can see, this is another problem easily solved. I hope I've helped you. If you like, comment, subscribe. I'll keep making these videos. I'm hoping that you really enjoyed it, and I'm hoping you got something out of it. And I hope to see you next time. And here we have the finished product. The inside, finished window, painted, caulked, sealed, airtight, watertight. Blinds need to be put on. It's not a big deal. But the window's installed, and it's already gone through a rainstorm actually. Everything held up just perfectly as expected. You can do this yourself, no problem. Take your time, follow the instructions, use good materials. You know, obviously paint on trim, use semi-gloss interior, latex. And that's about it. Comment, like, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next problem. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye.